Hey everyone, this week's tip is how to have a safe shot experience. So, we're not saying the V word since that gets us censored from YouTube. And I've had a few people reach out to me about things that they can do to be proactive. So, I'm going to be giving some suggestions today. And incidentally, some of the detox suggestions are ones that you can do for your annual spring detox. So, first of all, avoid getting the shot if you are actively sick or in an allergy flare up, because at these points in time, your immune system is already working hard. So, you don't want to exacerbate things. First of all, we're going to cover four different categories. So, support for the trauma of the shot, support for treating allergy and allergic reaction to the shot, support for any immune type symptoms that come up, and lastly, how to detox. So, for the trauma aspect, ice, ice, ice. So, ice after you receive the shot. The contents are going to get circulated no matter what. So, icing it is not going to impact that. Use a topical arnica gel or a tea relief homeopathic cream for the pain. Lots of people are getting pretty severe arm pain that lasts, so icing it right away will really prevent that. For the allergy component, bring your EpiPen. If you are someone who has an EpiPen for anaphylaxis, you need to bring it with you just to have to in an abundance of caution. If you're someone who has higher histamine levels, is prone to seasonal allergies, who's reacted to with hives, make sure you've got Benadryl at home just in case. There are some allergic responses to the shots. If you feel like you're getting a virus, like you have fever, runny nose, lethargy, then you can treat with zinc, with an abundant amount of vitamin C, with vitamin D. All of these will go a long way to support your immune system. And you can check out I have a cold and flu handout that I will also include a link to. And last and but not least is supporting detoxification to just minimize any long term cellular damage, potential neurological impact. So I'm recommending three things here. One is glutathione, which is probably the most important antioxidant that our liver makes. Having adequate levels of glutathione will help with metabolizing and eliminating chemical exposure. And it also prevents cellular damage. So, this is kind of a really important support to be taking before and afterwards. I'll have more specifics about that in the handout. Second is mitochondrial support. So, the mitochondria make our cellular energy exchange, which is known as ATP. So, if we support our mitochondria, we're going to be supporting cellular respiration, and we're also going to be preventing any mitochondrial damage. Sometimes mitochondria can be damaged with the intervention of receiving a shot. So, supporting the mitochondria is just going a long way to be preventative. And in a healthy person, adding mitochondrial support will support your overall energy level and promote optimal detoxification. And then, lastly, but certainly not least, is I love biotherapeutic drainage. Biotherapeutic drainage I've been working with for 20 years now, and these are homeopathic remedies that enhance our body's own natural routes of elimination. So, if we lived in a non polluted environment and we ate organic food, we wouldn't need to do a detoxification because we have these natural routes that I've been talking about, these emunctories. And so the biotherapeutic drainage remedies really support our body's own natural emunctories. And the ones I'm recommending are for circulation and for liver. And they're little liquid drops that you put under the tongue or in a little bit of water. And we are naturally always wanting to eliminate. So we have a lymphatic system that is hugely important for circulating toxins from the tissues. and bringing it to the bloodstream so the liver can cleanse them. So movement really supports the lymphatic system, rebounding, especially yoga, especially maintaining optimal hydration, getting into a sauna. These are all things you can incorporate to support your lymphatic system. And then eating a really healthy anti-inflammatory diet. So taking out alcohol, taking out sugar, really minimizing dairy and refined carbohydrates. They're just some basics to be considering to support yourself as you're getting your shots, and then also as we're heading into spring. So I hope some of these ideas help you to feel empowered. Once again, I'll be sharing a link below with some products that I recommend and just some practices you can do to have a healthy experience. And feel free to reach out if you have any further questions. Thanks.